so it's Jen. Today we are going to be doing a makeup look. So I've been putting off this makeup look for so long because I filmed it in March. It's currently the end of April and I'm just refilming it now just because I didn't like how it turned out. So I am finally refilming this video because I thought this look was super cute, but it's not March anymore. I just took some allergy medication before I filmed too, but I still sound like sick, but I'm not, it's just allergies. So I'm gonna be priming my face with the Startup Pore Primer. This will be like unexpectedly a chit chat kind of video. I figured and I felt like I should talk more in my videos just because I think there's just that connection that we can make if I talk more. I am just like not a talker, so it's really hard for me sometimes to just keep talking, especially because I'm by myself. So what are we going to do next? I think we're gonna go in with foundation. So for foundation, I'll be using my usual foundation since I haven't ran out of it yet. It is the Face Shop Ink Lasting foundation. I'm also going to be using it with a spatula. So if you haven't heard of the spatula application kind of thing, popular in Asia, specifically Korea, and it just gives you the thinnest layer of like foundation. Yeah, I do agree with that because I've been using this. I am just gonna slice the foundation and we are going to apply just like this and then blending it out. As you can see, it is pretty natural. I don't know if you compare both sides. There's a little bit more coverage and it's pretty natural looking. Okay, I'm doing the same. And then blend it out. And I'm just gonna finish up like the rest of my face. So my chin, the mustache area. And I'm gonna do my forehead. It's getting hot and I'm wearing like long sleeves, so I'll try to hang in here, but yeah. Next, I'll be using some translucent powder. Just gonna set my face. We will be moving on to the eyes now. So for the eyes, I'm going to be using the Sam eye primer and we will just be priming the eyes. For the eyeshadow. Okay, so I think I could talk a little more now. But how have you been? I hope you're doing well. But today's look is based off of one of my recent phase slash like obsession, which is matcha lattes. I've been super into matcha lattes. We're going to be using the Pony Times Morphe palette. We will be using one of the green shades. It is called Chill Thrill. So for this eyeshadow, I'll be applying it, focusing like on the outer corner the most. So you're gonna start small kind of and just build your way. You're kind of going to just like wing it. But yeah, I've been in my matcha latte phase and that's why I felt really inspired to create this kind of like matcha latte makeup look. This is a more cool green. We are going to be mixing actually this cool green with a more warmer green in a bit. I'm also dragging it to the lower lash line. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other side. It's getting so hot and I'm still wearing this sweater. But yeah, I took like a whole break, a whole like kind of social media break in March because I think I needed it the most. I felt really consumed by social media and it felt like everything I was doing was for social media just because like, you know, me too, like I'm also trying to grow my social media and it's like really consuming sometimes. Feeling like I need to create content constantly and stuff like that has, I don't know, I think it really got to me in March. So all the content I created in March is all like on hold and just slowly coming out. So the next palette I'll be using is the Morphe Times James Charles palette. These are the only palettes that have like a lot of color, so the light green shade. And we are going to just blend it in. And I'm really focusing on the lower lid just because for my eye shape, I feel like eyeshadow applied closer to the lid looks like better. So I'm basically just going to reapply shadow and just blend everything out until I'm satisfied with it. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing. You gotta blend out the shadow just so it's not patchy or anything. Then with the same palette, we're going to go in with a darker green, just a bit of it. And we are going to focus this. Kind of just blending a little bit into it. We still want to keep the light green. And then blend everything out. Now for details, I'm going to be using the ColourPop lip liner in the Hills. It is a green liquid liner, and we are just going to do like a regular eyeliner. Making it kind of long too. I'm also going to take the eyeliner a little bit down on the lower lash line. And then I'm also going to do like the inner corner kind of thing. So after the green liner, we are going to go ahead and do the milk kind of like matcha part. So I'm going to be using the ColourPop liquid liner in Graceland. It is the white one. I'm really gonna draw like kind of like matcha steams. Okay, let me see if I can do this without like messing up. You could kind of like make it whatever shape you want. And then doing the same thing to the other side. So the eye makeup is finally finished. We are going to be using the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. I'm just going to apply this to my waterline. I'm just going to curl my lashes. For mascara, I'll be using my Curl Fix Etude House mascara. And then using my Clio Gel Pencil pencil liner, I'm going to be tightlining my upper lash line just so it has more of a like fuller effect. I'm using this shade because it's not completely black. I'm using my Twinkle Pop Clio glittering eye stick. We are going to go over the white parts with some glitter. Really subtle, so I don't know if you can really tell. Okay, so for lashes today, I'm going to be using these lashes that I got from Amazon recently because I kind of want like that mango lash look, or what is it? It's like manhua lash. There are like a few different styles that I could choose from, so I'm gonna see which one I like the most. Sorry, I had to apply that off camera because literally the lash got stuck. But yeah, here are the lashes on. I'm going to be using Black Liquid liner just to kind of conceal like some of the open spaces. And I'm going to be drawing a few false lower lash. We are finished with the eyes now. Okay, so we are back to the face. I'm going to be contouring with my Para V Shading Powder. This is a cool toned bronzer. Also to the neck, kind of like where the shadows appear. Just a bit on the forehead, whatever's left like on the brush. I'm also going to contour my nose. Then using some blush, we're going to be applying blush to the apples of the cheeks, so I don't want to put too much blush. The focus is on the eyes. The pink and green is such a cute combination. Apply just a little bit like that, and then a bit to the nose and the chin, on the forehead as well. And using my Para Pure Glory highlighter, we're also going to highlight the areas that we usually do, so on top of the nose and the nose bridge. This highlighter is my favorite highlighter. It's super bright. For lips, I'll be using my NYX Slim Lip Pencil in Peekaboo Neutral. And then using my favorite lip color ever, the Para Coral Official Lip Tint. Using my Milk Hydro Setting Spray, I'm just going to set my makeup. I feel like sneezing. I feel a sneeze coming. So this is the final look for my matcha makeup look. I hope you enjoyed chit-chatting with me a little. I know I stopped talking towards the end a little. I just don't feel that great, if I'm being honest. But yeah, I'm also really hungry right now. So thank you so much for watching. If you reached this far, I appreciate it. And if you like this look, please give this video a like. And don't forget to comment and subscribe as well. Please comment like that matcha emoji. I don't know, it's like the cup with like the matcha steaming out. But I hope you guys are doing well, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. So yeah, until then, I will see you in my next video. Bye!